Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki here, and I wanted to share something fun today. So I figured I got a new lunch bag and I thought, well, let me share with you how I pack my lunch bag and basically what I carry for lunch. So friends, I recently got a new lunch bag and I absolutely love it. It's a Guess bag. I found it at Marshall's. It's insulated and it has a zipper and it's tall. So that's what sold me on it. I love my previous lunch bag and I've had it for years. Many of you have seen this bag before. And the only thing with this one is it's smaller, and sometimes when I want to carry my beverages, it doesn't accommodate it. So that means I'm having to put it in the work bag. And honestly, I'm trying to do better about bringing my lunch, so I said, you know what, let me inspire myself by getting a lunch bag that really is efficient. So what I carry for lunch. So let's start with the beverages. Of course, on this health journey, water. You know, I'm trying to train myself to drink water in the morning. I am hit and miss with it, but you know, I always enjoy my water with a little lemon. More so than just plain water. And I absolutely love my water carafe. I got this several months ago when I was in Charlotte from one like TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I can't really remember which one, but I love that it has kind of the diamond top there. It's just really crystal top. It's so cute. And again, it can encourage you to drink your water if you put your water in a beautiful container. And then I have my coffee carafe, which many of you are familiar with. And this is what I use to put my coffee that I take to work in, because a lot of times I'll have a cup at home, but then there's leftover coffee. So what I'll do is I'll just kind of take that into work and finish that off at work. And I do like this carafe for that, but for long periods of time, it will not keep my coffee hot. So I will tend to take my black one if I need to have my coffee stay warm for like hours at a time. So let's start with breakfast. So I do take breakfast to work, and typically I have one or two things. I'll either have oatmeal or yogurt. And if I have yogurt, I like to put a granola topping on it. And you guys know I like that wheat yogurt, and with this granola, it's so good. And so I've had a couple of yogurts already at work, so I don't have to pack any, but I do need my granola, and I use these little sandwich bags to transport. I also take a biscotti. I love biscotti with my coffee in the morning. It's a nice little treat, and you know I have a sweet tooth anyway, so that is one of my favorite things in my lunch box actually. So I'll take a biscotti to enjoy my morning coffee with. So now let's move into snacks. So I am a snacker, and so I'm trying to get better about what I snack on, but I tend to like a combination of both sweet and savory. So I'm taking a combination of that. I love banana chips, and it's a nice crunch during the middle of the day when I'm working, and it has that little sweet taste that I love. Along with some mixed nuts and cranberries. This can be a good combination to fill you up. It's, you know, especially when that stomach starts talking to you early in the day and you want to kind of put something on your stomach. This is a great alternative. And as far as savory, I love popcorn. And so now that we have a microwave at work, I can bring my bag popcorn and have popcorn to snack on at work. So as far as my actual lunch, usually when I'm bringing lunch, I'm either going to bring a croissant sandwich or I'm going to bring a salad. You know, that's kind of my go-to. With the salads, I just put my greens in their container so that they stay fresh until lunchtime. And then I like the little packets that I can just top, kind of the salad toppings packets that I can just include in my lunch bag. Then I have my strawberry vinaigrette that I have in my little Go Stack. You'll remember this was in one of my subscription boxes. They're actually stackable so that you can put your different condiments in. So I just need the little one here for my vinaigrette dressing. And that is basically my salad for lunch. And then I also have a sandwich, and it's just basically ham, cheese, basil with some mayo and mustard. And so that will fill me up. And you know, I love my little carbs, so I have to have a little bit of carbs throughout the day. And then finally, my utensils. And I've had this for years, and it's just very mobile and efficient. And so it kind of tucks in there. It's a fork, spoon, and chopsticks. Never use the chopsticks, but I do have them in case I ever need to use them. But it's really compact, and I think you can get this on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description box below. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed seeing what I carry for lunch. This was a fun little share that I wanted to share with you today because it's like my new lunch pail, and I really have been loving it. If you have any questions, let me know. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That means so much to me, and it really helps my channel. I also want to remind you that my book, Beautifully Organized, A Guide to Function and Style in Your Home, is now available for pre-order on barnesandnoble.com and amazon.com. I'll put the link in the description box below. So friends, I want to also remind you to check out my other channel, At Work with Nikki, where I share a variety of work organization tips on that channel, and that's a fun channel, along with my pet channel. For my Yorkies, Bentley and Albert, they have their channel where they have a lot of fun over there. So definitely encourage you to subscribe to both of these channels. I'll put the link in the description box below. I hope you all are doing great. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.